We have to talk about AI. Tech giant Meta. It has now introduced a generative artificial intelligence model called Chameleon.
After Metaverse's hard beginnings, CM3 Leon shines as a model of creativity. Creative expression is about to change thanks to Meta's revolutionizing AI approach. But amidst a sea of platforms like Midjourney, what sets CM3 Leon apart? Join us as we dissect the unique brilliance of CM3 Leon, its promises of limitless imagination, and how Meta aims to recapture its users and make a strong comeback. In the vast dominion of text-to-image AI platforms, one name reigns supreme: Midjourney. Long-standing in the industry, Midjourney is renowned for its ability to produce photos of outstanding quality. Midjourney v5.2, which was just released, aims to strengthen its hold on power. The newcomer, CM3 Leon, has offered a unique quality that sets it apart from Midjourney. And what if I tell you that Meta's newly launched CM3 Leon has some distinctive features that even Midjourney doesn't process? Midjourney is superior when it comes to producing high-quality images, and really, there is not much of a comparison there. But what Midjourney lacked was the processing of some real-life images. For example, if you give a prompt of "give me a high-quality picture of a human hand close-up," Midjourney used to struggle with the number of fingers in the hand and other key features. Although the issue has been fixed, this was a prevalent issue in the software. One striking difference where Midjourney falls short is in text processing. Picture this scenario. You're attempting to depict a stop sign adorned with the year 1991. Midjourney adeptly handles the creation of the sign itself, but encounters a slight stumble when grappling with showcasing the numerical year 1991. A minor hiccup in its performance, one might say. In contrast, CM3 Leon emerges as a star performer in the realm of text manipulation. CM3 Leon shines brightly, effortlessly rendering the numbers with precision and accuracy, seamlessly integrated into the visual narrative. This distinction underscores CM3 Leon's exceptional ability to harmonize visual elements with textual components, a skill that sets it apart from its counterpart. CM3 Leon's features ensure that every stroke of the keyboard translates effortlessly into a vivid visual representation, reaffirming its position as a versatile and powerful tool for creative expression. Another great feature that has been added to CM3 Leon is the text-guided image editing, a cool tech tool that lets you change pictures with words. CM3 Leon makes it simple to change pictures without tricky computer stuff. People are excited about this CM3 Leon feature. It's like magic, but with words and pictures. Even though we can't try it just yet, Meta promises it's coming soon. This tech is more than just fun, it's like a mix of imagination and computers. With CM3 Leon, anyone can be an artist by typing words. It's like bringing dreams to life. One picture plus a few words equals endless possibilities. CM3 Leon is opening new doors for creativity. The future is full of exciting things you can make, just type and see. Another impressive feature of CM3 Leon is its image analysis capability. Imagine uploading a picture, like one of a dog holding a stick. If you ask the software about what the dog is carrying, it will correctly identify the object as a stick. Additionally, CM3 Leon can provide text-based descriptions of images. When you upload a picture and request an explanation, the software generates a precise textual description of the image's contents. In comparison, Midjourney offers a similar feature where you can upload an image and use a prompt /describe to receive a description. However, CM3 Leon surpasses Midjourney in its effectiveness and accuracy, providing more detailed and comprehensive descriptions. It's important to note that the idea of machines understanding visuals has long been a goal in technology. The picture analysis performed by CM3 Leon is a huge step in the right direction. Its capacity to recognize items and understand scenes reveals an astonishing level of intelligence. CM3 Leon is a useful tool for bridging the gap between visual content and language in a world where images have significant importance. It demonstrates how technical progress and human curiosity may work together by showing how algorithms may be used to decode visual data. CM3 Leon boasts another amazing tool: object-to-image conversion. This can be a game changer, especially in architecture, and it's a feature that sets CM3 Leon apart from Midjourney. Here's the idea. You start with a picture and CM3 Leon can turn it into a whole new image. This could be really helpful for architects. Imagine you want to make a detailed picture of a room. With CM3 Leon, you can describe what you want in a clear way. For example, you might say, make a high-quality image of a room with a sink, a mirror, and a bed. Put a bottle near 199,130, a sink from 149,133 to 190,154, and a bed from 0169 to 67255. Then, like magic, CM3 Leon creates a picture for you. This could be super useful for architects who need to come up with design ideas quickly. Instead of spending a lot of time drawing, they can use CM3 Leon to make detailed images fast. Did you know that architects often have to come up with new designs in a short amount of time? CM3 Leon's object-to-image tool can make this much easier and faster. It's like putting together a puzzle. You give CM3 Leon the pieces and it arranges them into complete pictures. This is a cool example of how technology can help people be more creative and efficient. As you explore this feature, think about how it could change the way architects work and how it might help you bring your ideas like a snap. With CM3 Leon, creating detailed images is as simple as giving clear instructions. As we dig further into the range of CM3 Leon's powers, we find the segmentation to image capability, which is yet another gem. With the help of this special tool, users can divide an image into individual components, expanding their creative options. However, CM3 Leon's brilliance comes in its capacity to then give these lifestyle fragments, giving rise to new varieties while maintaining a pleasing consistency. Think of it as an art project. You start with a picture and break it into different pieces. Then you can put those pieces back together in a different way. It's a bit like taking apart a toy and building something new with the pieces. Now imagine having this power to play with pictures and make your own designs. With CM3 Leon, you can turn simple segments into amazing creations. Each piece has its own story, and when you put them together, you're the author of a new tale. Now with all these great features of CM3 Leon covered, let's just take a quick sneak peek at how the AI has been trained. Meta researchers approached the development of CM3 Leon by starting with a retrieval augmented pre-training stage. Unlike traditional methods of collecting images from the internet, which can lead to legal issues, Meta chose a more ethical path. They recognize the concerns surrounding image ownership and attribution in text-to-image generation. To address this, they exclusively use licensed images from Shutterstock for their research. This decision allowed them to sidestep ownership issues while still achieving high performance. After this pre-training phase, the CM3 Leon model underwent a supervised fine-tuning SFT stage. This approach, also employed by OpenAI for training ChatGPT, led to significant enhancements in both resource efficiency and image quality. SFT involved training the model to comprehend complex prompts, a crucial skill for tasks that involve generating content. And there you have it, folks. CM3 Leon stands out with its unique features, offering improved text processing and diverse image capabilities compared to Mid-Journey. These innovations promise to reshape creative expression, and Meta's ethical image source adds value. With a focus on image precision, text integration, and object-to-image conversion, CM3 Leon opens new avenues for artistic exploration. Its advanced training approach, starting with licensed images, showcases Meta's commitment to responsible AI development. Can you imagine any practical applications of CM3 Leon's capabilities in your daily life or work? Be sure to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Signing off.